Life ko before Alec, I was very, very independent. Alam niyo yung strong, independent woman, yun talaga ako.
Before Yanni came, I was in a process of rebuilding myself because I just got into a huge financial problem. I was a very troubled and trying person. Parang di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa buhay ko.
I was kind of a man-hater at one point. Medyo judgmental din ako sa mga guys. So Alec was one of the guys na I used to judge a lot.
And so I was in the process of searching. Parang alam ko lang na merong buhay out there na masaya.
At the time, sobrang ingay ni Alex sa podcast niya on TikTok.
As I continued to ask people on my TikTok kung sino yung mga gusto nilang mag-guest ko on my podcast, Coach Yanni Moya, lagi tinatag ng mga tao.
Yung mga interns ko, talagang pinilit ako na mag-guest sa kanya kasi crush nila si Alex. Sabi ko, sige, ano ba yun? Sige, mag-guest ako para lang ma-meet ng mga interns ko.
So, pumayag siya. Thank God, pumayag siya.
Parang lahat nga nagko-comment na bagay daw kami. And I don't like that. Kasi nga, hindi ko gusto si Alec before. Naging besh kami after ng mga podcast series namin kasi lagi niya akong ginigest. Yung tawagan namin besh. At one point, nanghiram pa siya sa akin ng pera.
Yes. Minsan nag-message ako sa kanya ng, Besh, kamusta? And to the point na sometimes I would even borrow money from her. Nangungutang talaga ako sa kanya.
Tapos parang ako, I'm very financially independent. And then this guy is so annoying. He's always asking money from me. So parang dun pa lang, alam ko na I will never date this guy.
Nagulat na lang ako na I had so many things to learn from this person. Doon ako na-expose na ang laki na ng mundo tapos ang dami ko pang pwedeng ma-experience sa buhay. The more that I spent my time with her, the more that I fell in love with her. I saw her as a friend first, but then every part of her just made me fall in love with her. So, one thing led to another and then ngayon kakasal na kami.
Joe's action.
Okay. Never mo talaga na-imagine na mag-end up tayong ganito.
Your Honor, hindi po talaga. Kasi parang ako, ang saya ng buhay ko, tapos ikaw, sad boy. Puro break-up content. So parang ako, pinagbigyan lang kita nun. Na parang,
Okay.
sige na nga, tuturuan kita maging masaya, Mr. Alec Cuenca. Ganun.
Hindi namin na-imagine na mapupunta dito sa moment na to. And ngayon, araw-araw kita nakikitang sa tabi ko. Ganun.
Totoo lang. Sige na, sana natin ang mga...
Sana natin ang mga
Ako na
questions.
lang una.
Sige.
Hindi ka swerte pag ako yan. Okay. What's something about Yanni or Alec that really annoys you but can't live without? I mean, aside from everything, ang bagay na nainis talaga ako kay Alec is yung kakulitan niya.
Hindi kaya alam ng mga tao. Yung
Hindi alam ng mga tao, sobrang kulit mo. Like, yung level of kulit mo is parang bata. But I can't live without that because you're crazy is like my happiness.
Yung persistent na pag-push sa akin. But also, it's also the reason why our lives are so successful right now. Consistent you holding your standards very high. So it annoys me in the beginning, but I always believe na it's something I can't live without. What's one silent promise you tell yourself every day for your relationship?
Bakit ka tumatawa? Grabe ka.
Tumatawa ako, babe.
May promise.
Okay. Emotional lang si Annie.
Babe, promise. Bukas di kita awayin ka na. Another silent promise is, babe, kahit inaaway kita, ang nasa isip ko talaga is we have to make it work.
Itong meron tayo ngayon, hindi natin na-imagine na magkakaroon tayo nito. Pero alam ko rin na yung paparating in the future, there's so much more. The best is yet to come.
What's one memory of us you never want to forget?
Yung memory of us moving into this house.
That day.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh. I felt all the possibilities rush into my life. Imagine the people that's gonna come here and visit us. Imagine our family starting here and growing. But it was just a key, and it was a blank space, black eye.
every day that I would see you wearing that ring, I would always be transported to that moment where you said yes to Disneyland. How beautiful that is, and parang one of the purest moments of my life. Ganun yung excitement ko, araw-araw may sing-sing. Hindi lang ako may sing-sing, I'm gonna have a wife.
How has loving me made you love yourself more?
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face.
We are so addicted with growing. Continue to grow in areas na hindi naman ako magaling. But then, your love made me embrace the not so good parts about myself.
I didn't like the idea of dating guys because of my insecurities. But you never made me feel there's anything wrong with me and my body and my smile. If this person could love every part of me, why shouldn't I? So that's when I also started to really love myself more.
What are you most excited about once we get married?
I'm so excited to see Alec as a dad. Because that's his dream.
I'm excited to love mga yani na meaning me na yan. May tatlong yani dito sa bahay. May sanity.
You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be.
What's a fear you once had about love that Yanni or Alec unknowingly healed?
Ayokong maloko. Ayokong magamit. Yung fear ko is mas mahal ko yung guy versus yung guy. You healed that. Sabi ko nga parang si Alec yung consistent from day one all the way to today. Parang you constantly proved me that will love me more than I love you.
Isang fear ko before about love is that conditional yung love. Mamahalin kita kasi may nabibigay ako. Parang you love me even when I had so little. Parang yung mabibigay ko pa lang sa'yo is like promises. Just, yeah, love can be like that. There's a love that is very unconditional.
Honestly, I didn't realize you had little. Kasi parang overflow parati yung binibigay mo sa akin.
But I'll always be the lucky one.
Dahil mo pwede maging excuse not to marry me this year, not to marry me this past. But wala. You said, you're working hard so you can pay for your dream wedding. I-upgrade mo yung lace mo. Huwag mo tipirin yung sarili mo. And that's when I realized I said yes to the right person. Cause like, how can someone be so selfless? Yung priority mo lang talaga is my happiness.
Ngayon, hindi na lang ako and ikaw. Hindi tayo na.
Na parang kahit anong mangyari, laban. If I have you on my side, we can do anything.
And then I'm excited to build a marriage that is centered around God.
Si Lord.
Kakampi namin lagi si Lord. Hindi, nasa tabi natin si Lord eh. So, nothing is impossible.
And that's something that I want to pass down to my family.
All you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
Alright, so thank you so much for listening to this. My name is Alec Cuenca.
My name is Yani Moya Cuenca.
And this is Small Talk, charot.
And this is...
And this is the Joe's Podcast.
Yes.
Thank you so much for listening. Yeah, we need to go kasi kakasal na kami. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Tara. Gawan tayo, babies.